Good morning. Today is again a new book day. I've got many requests about this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, a legendary bestseller by Robert Kiyosaki. What's so special about this book? And why do so many people say it changed the way they see money? Let's break it down in a simple, chill way. I'm Ekaksh, and you're watching Book Huggers. So, this book is not a guide with formulas or investment tricks. It's more like a money mindset explosion. Robert, the author, shares stories from his childhood, where he had two dads, his biological dad, the poor dad, and his best friend's dad, the rich dad. Now, both were smart, hardworking men, but they thought very differently about money. Poor dad believed in traditional things: go to school, get good grades, find a secure job. Rich dad? He believed in making money work for you, not just working for money. That's the heart of this book. Now here are some major lessons that stuck with me. 1. The rich don't work for money. This sounds strange at first, right? But Robert explains, rich people focus on building assets. They don't just rely on salaries. Assets are things like real estate, businesses, or stocks, anything that makes you money even when you're asleep. 2. Financial education is everything. Our schools don't really teach us how money works. We learn algebra and poetry, but not how to invest, save, or grow wealth. Rich Dad taught Robert that understanding money is more powerful than just earning it. 3. Buy assets, not liabilities. This was a game changer. Many people think buying a big car or a fancy house means you're rich. But Rich Dad says, if it takes money out of your pocket every month, it's a liability, not an asset. Start small, build smart. 4. Don't fear risks, learn from them. Poor dad avoided risks. Rich dad embraced them, wisely. Mistakes are just lessons. The fear of failure stops so many people from even trying, but the rich use failure as feedback. 5. Work to learn, not just to earn. Instead of chasing the highest paying job, Robert suggests we look for skills, like sales, marketing, communication, leadership. These are what make you unstoppable in the long run. In the end, Rich Dad Poor Dad isn't saying you have to become a millionaire tomorrow. It's just showing us that we need to think differently. It's not about being born rich, it's about building smart habits, gaining financial knowledge, and not blindly following what everyone else does. So next time someone says, money doesn't grow on trees, remember, maybe it doesn't. But with the right mindset, it can grow in your mind. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this summary helped you. I'm Ekaksh, and you're watching Book Huggers. See you in the next one.